I thought we'd go over the course navigation to give you an idea of where things are located in the course. I always think that makes it easier for me to find my way around and not get lost. This is our home page, as you can see right here. This bar contains your account information, your dashboard where all of your courses will show, your calendar, which shows you due dates and the things that are due, inbox where you can create emails. Let's go through each one of these tabs together. First, our announcements. We've left Student View and now you are seeing My Account. As you can see, each week you will receive an email showing you what's coming up for the next week. These are sent out every Saturday and will show you what is coming up for the next week. Now let's move over into the modules. Modules don't open on all the same day, but now you're looking at My Account, so you'll be able to see all of the modules. First things first, I want you to embrace how it is that you learn. I don't know about you, but I sometimes think I should already know that. I don't care what it is. I don't care if you're looking at a carburetor in a car. I feel like, well, I should already know. I should know that. How would I know that? So the important thing is for you to embrace how you learn. This unit also includes an assignment that helps me understand how you learn. That is the way that I will be able to show you your brilliance throughout the course. Next is a Start Here page with office hours, information about me, the information about AI, participation policy. This is very important. Student privacy is important. These are legal limits to student privacy. Let's click on this real quick. Here's what I want you to click right there. That shows you the federal laws for student privacy, just so you will all be on the same page. It isn't that I don't care about you. I absolutely do. But I do not have any right to your personal information. Only you have rights to that. Whatever you would tell me, I would believe anyway, so there's no need for you to disclose to me in an email or any other communication any details about your personal life. I'm going to believe you. So we want to make sure that we stay clear on that. Click that link. Now we go back to modules just as we did before. That's how we travel around the course. And we come up with the course textbook. Since this is a no-cost, zero-cost textbook, I know you would think, well, how am I supposed to learn? Well, you learn from these pages. And you can take these one page at a time and learn them. And throughout the course, assignments are given that will measure how well you understood these pages. This is information about the discussion boards. There aren't a lot of discussion boards because I don't care for busy work, but I do want you to be involved in the course and involved with the members of your small group, which is called your Cyber Cafe group. And I do want you to keep in contact with them throughout the semester. Then each week, as you can see, begins with the week number and the date. Following, this is all on a computer, remember, not on your phone, but on a computer. Following are all the information that you need for that week. The next week shows here and the date and goes through the information that's provided for that week. And so it goes. Let's go back up here in this modules page and take a look at this little page right here. This might be confusing. Throughout the semester, my philosophy of teaching indicates that you have unique beliefs, interests, mores, customs, and instead of having everybody read the same thing and answer the questions at the end of the chapter, which I don't believe to be helpful, instead, you are going to choose from a number of topics. And when you choose your topic, you will lock that down in a discussion board, and this link takes us there. Let's look at the topic lock for Save the, an essay that's coming up later on in the semester. When I click on that link, I'm taken to this discussion board page, and I have information about how to lock a topic. This essay is about endangered species. You will be pitching a persuasive essay to convince the reader to support the animal that you have chosen. Where do you find that animal? By clicking here, and you will see a PDF of the possibilities. When you click that, you see a list, and you will scroll down the list and select an animal species that you find interesting. As you can see, each one of the species includes a link to more information. As soon as you choose the animal species that you are most interested in, then you go back to that discussion board. We'll click this reply arrow, add your name, and indicate the animal that you are locking down. If somebody has already locked that animal, then you need to go back to the list and find another one. Let's look at the second topic lock. Come back to the modules, back to this page, and now I'm going to lock my image for the final essay. Maybe I'll change my mind later on in the semester, but for right now, I want to lock my image. The final essay is a creative essay, and for that creative essay, you will be selecting an image that will serve as your title image and the foundation for the story that you will be writing. Let's click this link together. Now we see when we click that link, we're in the discussion board. There's a tutorial, and here are the images. Let's look at these images together. For English 103, the purpose of the narrative essay is to create a crime story. And there are requirements for this story and things that you need to follow, but this is a wonderful, unique opportunity for you to explore your interests. So I'm going to go through here and I'm going to pick an image that inspires me to write a mystery story or some kind of crime or something, a thriller, something that requires a crime and the solution to some kind of crime. When I pick the picture that I want, then I will simply create a screenshot of that picture. Let's do that together. I open a snipping tool. I click New. Then I make a copy of this picture and I save that to my desktop of my computer. I created that screenshot. I come over here, I click Reply. And in Reply, I'm going to insert that image. First, I'm going to indicate my name, and then I'm going to paste the image. I click this image, and I'm going to upload the image from my computer where I saved it. As you can see, I uploaded it from my computer. There it is, and I'm going to click Submit. When it is in the page, it is too big. I clicked it. That gives me these little toggles, and I just make it a reasonable size. And that's all there is to it. Then I post that reply. And now you can see any other student can come in and see what I locked, and then they can select another image from the list. There are lots and lots of images to choose from. On day one, when you've explored your learning style, I'd also like you to take a moment to look at this AI dilemma. Remember, you are brilliant. AI is artificial. So there's information on this tab that I need for you to see and study. And then we move on through the rest of the course. As you can see, you can always go back to the textbook for information that is covered in the vast content of these fun assignments. And on we go. I hope you'll enjoy the course, and I know that you're going to be successful.